Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love life energies ngayong March 2026. General reading, pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts and scammers. And also, kung gusto nyo ng private reading, do not message me. Just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Mag-ingat din kayo dun sa mga, kung napapanood nyo to sa ibang accounts, okay? Wala po akong ibang account, ito lang yon. Almost 70,000 followers sa TikTok, ha? Sa TikTok. Kung nasa TikTok nyo to napapanood. Kasi may nagnanakaw ng videos ko. So, ingat kayo sa mga scammers. Okay, let's see Aquarius. What is the energy? Yung mga single muna. Ano yung energy ng love life for March 2026? For singles. Oh. Okay. Meron ditong pwedeng nagpapasaya sa'yo or someone na masyadong parang nagpapapansin sa'yo, wanting to be close to you. But medyo mag-ingat sa taong to kasi pwedeng maging complicated yung situation mo. This person can be already in a relationship na hindi mo alam, tapos iba yung sinasabi niya sa'yo. 'Di ba? Na parang gusto lang muna niya na makuha yung loob mo. So, be careful. Okay? Tingnan natin yung in a relationship. So, ibig sabihin, you're connecting with someone, may partner ka, may connection ka. Let's see. What's the energy Aquarius love life? March 2026. Okay. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, parang may magkikita ulit. You're going to give this relationship another try. Pero I think yung isa, hindi siya ganun ka-open. Yung bang, halimbawa, meron kasi dito pwedeng magkakaroon kayo ng reunion or unexpectedly, magkikita kayo ng person from the past. Alam nyo kasi Mercury is in retrograde ngayong March. So be very careful sa energies ng past kasi talagang maglilinger yan. At maging maingat din, especially if you're a female. Pwede kasing magkaroon dito ng buntisan. Alam mo na, baka mabuntis ka or makabuntis ka naman kung lalaki ka. So, hinay-hinay lang ha. Huwag masyadong yung parang na-miss nyo yung isa't isa and then, you will do intimate things na mag-end up lang sa, regrets. Okay? Pero kung talagang, you really want to make this relationship work, then go ahead. There's an energy of Virgo, Cancer, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, and Libra. Kasi, ayun, baka bigla na naman kasing mawala to. Parang on and off sa buhay mo. So, gusto mo ba ganon? Kung dati, naging ganun yung setup ng relationship ninyo, sa tingin mo may magbabago ba ngayon? 'Di ba? So, ayan. Parang lang kasi yan eh. Hindi ko alam anong tawag doon. But, usually sa mga energy ng past, tapos merong unfinished business either sa side mo or sa side niya, parang merong gustong i-fulfill and then parang magkakaroon ng excitement and then magli-lead sa intimacy na pwedeng magkaroon ng another responsibility. O, tinan mo, sabi rito, neither one of us is being honest right now. Why are we afraid to express ourselves? Kasi nga, maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron na rin kayong, may attachment na sa iba. Let's say, may sabit na ganon. So, meron ditong nagsusorry about what happened in the past. Oo, kasi parang, I think, meron ditong sinusundan online. May stalking energy rito na parang, I think, kung iniisip niya na parang, uy, nagkita kayo ulit, Meron dito energy na plinano. Plinano to, it's either ikaw nagplano nito or the person that you're connecting with. Oo. So, be careful lang. Turn on your heart light. I turn on your heart light. Okay. Reflect on a time when you experience love. So, reflection. Do you really want this person moving forward again? Oo. Or, napatawad mo na ba siya? O okay ba sa'yo na, ma-experience yung same love na na-experience mo sa person na to ngayon? Are you willing to take a risk? So, ask yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you.